In this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate an object along a path inside Adobe After Effects. Let's dive in. So I'm inside Adobe After Effects, and as you can see, I have this ocean floor background, and I want to animate this fish. And I can just animate it left and right, but I want to kind of have it go up and down as if it's drifting through the ocean. To do this, we can animate the fish along a path by creating a path inside After Effects using the pen tool. So the first step is to make sure nothing is selected in your timeline here, and then grab your pen tool. I recommend changing your fill options to the hash so that there's no fill. You can add a stroke, and this is helpful to see the path once you create it. So I'm going to make it solid with a 10-point stroke, and then I'm going to begin drawing out my path. So I'm going to click once in my composition window, and then click and drag to kind of create a curved point. And then I'm going to click and drag again, and then again, and then finally at the end, one more time. And once we release, we should have this new shape or path. Now you can make fine-tune adjustments. If we grab our selection tool, you can click on the vertices and rearrange them, adjust the handlebars, and get the path looking to the way you like it. Now you don't have to get it exact because you can always change this once we apply this path to the object. But once you have it in the general location, the next step is to copy the path from this shape layer to your object, or in this case, our fish here. So to do that, what you can do is twirl down under shape layer 1, under contents, go into shape 1, and then under path 1, click on path. Then hit Command C or Control C on a PC to copy it. And then click on your object and click P to bring up the position value, and then hit Command V to paste it. And now when we click and play this back, you can see that we've animated the object along the path. Now, if you want it longer or shorter, you can click and drag on this last keyframe. So if we click and drag it to the right, you can see that the fish animates a lot slower. And if we click and drag it all the way to the left, it animates a lot quicker. And like I said, if you need to make fine-tune adjustments to the animation, what you can do now is hide the shape layer or actually delete it since we don't really need it anymore. And then you can click on your object layer and then just click on the animation path, and you can kind of make adjustments and see in real time how the adjustments affect your animation. And also you'll notice at the beginning, our first keyframe isn't far enough to the left to make the fish off screen. So I'm just going to click and drag this beginning point to the left, and same with the end point to the right. That way the fish fully animates on and off screen. And once again, I'm going to click and drag this last keyframe out to maybe around 5 seconds to make it a little bit slower of an animation. So we have something that looks like this. Now, one thing you'll notice here with our animation is that the fish doesn't really go up and down and orients with the path. You know, the fish should be looking up when it's going up and maybe down when it's going down. And you can easily change this by right-clicking on the layer in your object and go to Transform and then Auto Orient. Then click on Orient along Path and then click OK. And now you'll notice that the fish actually rotates and moves with the path. So this is another option you can play with and add to your object if you want it to actually move along with it. But that's how you can animate an object along a path inside Adobe After Effects. Now, if you're new to After Effects, there's several tutorials on my channel. I will leave one that you might like right up there. Feel free to go check that out. Also, I did want to mention that I did launch a Discord server, so if you're looking for more support inside Premiere Pro or After Effects, feel free to join. It's completely free to join. Feel free to join using the link down in the video description. But that does it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.